Yes, very good morning to all of my three students again. The subject is math, and today we are going to start a new topic for all of you, that is conversion of hours into a minutes and minutes into an hour. This question is something that is just like the one that we have done previously, when you convert kilometer into a meter and meter into a centimeter. So this question is, these questions are just like that one, and you know that the instructors and the teacher's name. Okay, now task of the day. It's time to show you all a task of the day is very interesting, very easy. We will cover only two pages, 2 to 6 and 2 to 7, that is 226, 227 from book 3, the colorful book of the math. But I'm not, you can say that right now I don't want you to just look at the numbers and start opening the books and copying the answers. No, I told you maths is not about the writing part. Maths is just about understanding. So this is the ideal time to first understand when it will be a writing part, when it will be a page number. I will definitely tell you all. Hamza Hussain, you never turn on your camera, but you are very much interested in using the annotations on the screen. And I will give your name to Ma'am Elise as well, because now she's really concerned why the students are not turning on their cameras. Because sometimes we feel that might be you are not in front of camera, you're not attending the class, and you're not attentive even. So this is very important. So let's have a look back to our work. Question is, this is a boy Ben. If you look at the face, if it's a bit clear to all of you, so you will see that the Ben's face is very, you can say that angry or offensive face. Why? Because he's continuously working for 2 hours, and then they're asking you for how many minutes did he continuously work. The question is that they give you a question in the form of hours, and the teachers want you to tell the answers by using a minutes. So my boys, it's time to learn. It's time to learn that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Just learn it like we previously learned that 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So same you will learn it that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Hamza Hussain, Jani, I will take your question later on. There is a no page number right now. Okay. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. So if you want the answer for 2 hours, so you will simply multiply 2 with 60. If you multiply 2 with 60, your answer is 120 minutes. But I am your teacher, and I find out a very easy way for all of you that how to get your our answers quickly. So you have one method that you can simply multiply 2 with 60 and you got the answer 120 minutes. But I have even a more easy way to tell you all. What is it? Let me show you. Okay, eyes on the screen carefully. No page number right now. When there will be a page number, I will definitely tell you. The page number is mentioned over here, but please eyes on the screen. Okay, eyes on the screen. Conversion of hours and minutes. She's a girl and her name is Cindy. She's saying that I took 1 hour and 30 minutes, or she's saying I took 130 minutes to do my work. Sini is a girl. She is happily doing her work for 1 hour and 30 minutes. But she gave the answer in two styles, 1 hour and 30 minutes, and then she said 130 minutes to do my homework. So they are asking you, is Sini is correct? So boys, start thinking, is she is correct or not? The solution is on the same page. Every boy, open your book 3, page number 226. Kindly open your book, page number 226. I'm repeating the page number again and again, so you guys will not be get confused at all. And this is a book 3, page number 226. Okay, now your teacher, the book author, has explained the same concept by using two methods. First, he used a clock to explain you, and then he used a proper direct method of solving it. How he proved it with the clock? He said that she started her work at 1 o'clock. What time will be after an hour? After an hour, what will be the time of the clock? It will be sharp 2 o'clock, because when she started her work, it was 1 o'clock. After 1 hour, the clock time will be 2 o'clock. And then they said add 30 minutes and 8, because she worked for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So if you add 30 minutes in 8, so what will be the clock time? 2:30. Got it? So they give you a clock image step by step that first add 1 hour, then add 30 minutes more. So this will be your time 2:30. Now it's time to convert the hours into a minute. So I told you all that learn it. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Just learn it. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Senior time was 1 hour and 30 minutes. So like in the conversion, we write that 1 kilometer has 1,000, 2 kilometer has 2,000 meter. So same, 1 hour has how many minutes? 60 minutes. So mention 60 over here. And this 30 will come over here as it is. This 30 will come over here as it is. Now it's time to just add 60 plus 30. Your answer is 90. So Sinya took 9 minutes to do her homework and she is wrong. She is wrong. Why she is wrong? Because on the same page, look at what she was telling you all. She was telling you, or 130 minutes I do my homework. No, her homework timing was 90 minutes. Her homework timing was 90 minutes. It was not 130 because she was not very well aware of the conversion. So she simply joined 1 and 30. She just joined the number. So she said 130 minutes. No, the answer is wrong. You will simply convert 1 hour first into 60 minutes. Then 30 will come as it is. And then your answer is 90 minutes. Now, my boys, I'm showing you all the screen. And I have a very, very interesting method, interesting things that I would like you all to learn it. I just even mention it on the top. Remember. Remember is something, just look at the screen and learn it. Eyes on the screen. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 2 hour has 120 minutes. 3 hours has 180 minutes. 4 hour has 240 minutes. And 5 hour has 300 minutes. But my boys, I just find out a very simple trick for all of you. A very easy way to learn it in a second. What is it? And when you look at the clock and read the time, we always take a jumps of 5 times table. 5, 10, 15. But when you're talking about minutes, you will use 6 times table. You will use 6 times table. You will simply multiply 6 ones are 6 and you will put 0 with it. So answer is 60 minutes. If you're talking about 2 hours, so simply multiply 2 with 6. 2 6 are 12 and mention 0 with it. Easy. Now just simply multiply 3 with 6. 3 6 are 18 and put 0 with it. 180 minutes. If you are on the 4 hour step, so you will simply multiply 4 with 6. 4 6 are 24 and you will put 0 with it. 6 5s are 30. You will write 30 and you will put 0 with it. So your answer is 30 minutes. So this is the most easiest way. Even if somebody asks you how many minutes we have in 7 hours, so simply multiply by 6 7s are 42 and put 0 with it. So your answer is 420. So you quickly get your answer that your you know the time, that how to convert it into a minutes quickly. This is the most easy step and easy way that I figure out for my students, to just add 0 with it and write the 6 times tables according to the hours. Okay, I hope so that my boys now understand it. Now boys, turn the page and come to the page number 227. Yes, 227 is the page number. Next page, mention the date on the top, 22/12/2020. Please mention it on the top and let's read the question. Mrs. Ali spent 2 hours and 25 minutes baking. What was the duration in time? She's asking you how much time she take to bake, but they want the time in minutes. Look at this answer, minutes. So like this boy, everyone start thinking into your mind that 1 hour has 60 minutes. So how many minutes we have in 2 hours? This is something that I even told you. Yes, 2 6 are 12. So you will mention 12 and put 0 with it. Quickly, we got the answer, that is 120 minutes. Yes. So this is the easiest way. You simply multiply 2 with 6. Your answer is 120 and put 0 with it. So your answer is 120 minutes. Now, just like the conversion style, you will mention 2 hours and 25 minutes. So convert, 2 hour has how many minutes? This is something we have done just over here. The blocks are very in a small size. So please write with the small font, and my blocks will be writing will also get very dirty. 2 hour has 120 minutes, so you will mention 120, and the number 25 will come as it is. The number 25 will come as it is. Now you have just to do a small rough work on the corner. What you will do, you will simply add both the numbers. 120 plus 25. So do your rough work over here. I think smart one can easily do it by using their mind, but I am just even solving it with the proper way. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 2, 4, and 1 will come as it is. So your answer is 124. 45. Just mention the answer over here. I'm just writing it bit dark so you can see it clearly. So this is the answer. We simply got find out by reading a 6 times table, convert and add. Now I think the question number 3 is something that you all can do even by yourself. So smart kids, start doing it by yourself, and I'm also solving it with all of you. The duration of the movie is 3 hours and 15 minutes. What's the duration in minutes? So boys, quickly start thinking how many minutes we have in 3 hours. Quickly start thinking. 3 hours, 3 6 are 18, and put 0 with it. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 3 6 are 18 and put 0. Yes, 180. And 15 will come as it is. Yes. Now simply add both the numbers. Now simply add both the numbers on the corner of the page. So you will get the answer. I know the answer, but I'm doing this rough work for all of my students. Okay. So what you will do, boys, you will mention 180 over here. And then you will mention 15 under it. Please mention the numbers on the proper their places. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 1, 9. And 1 will come as it is. So your answer is 195. Huzaifa, I hope so that you are doing your work with me. So your answer is 195. 195 is your answer. I hope so that this work is easy and my boys understand it very well. If even you can solve the questions, you can even give your very good. The kids even start giving me the answers in the chat box. Wonderful. Okay, wonderful. Good. Najib, you are a bit late for the classroom. Huzaifa has raised the hand, so let me just give him a chance. Yes, Huzaifa, unmute yourself and talk to me.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Why you don't come in yesterday Zoom class?
Because I went somewhere. I went to Lahore for 2 days. Okay, this is a math class. We will talk later. Okay, but I'm back. I'm back. Okay, that's why my mom took the class on the behalf of me. Okay, now it's time to. There is another boy, Ikram. Yes, yes, Hussein. I think you are Ikram Oshin. Unmute yourself and talk to me. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I just joined the class. What did you do?
Why you are so late? Now you will attend
Ma'am,
the rest of the class.
ma'am, I was in the class before, but I went to get my stationery. So what did you do?
We just solved these 2 parts over here. Are you done with these 2 parts which are shown on the screen? Otherwise, I will show you at the end, okay? Or you can attend or work from the Google Classroom as well. Okay, Hussein, I just want to tell you that you spend too much time to get your stationery first. And secondly, we have done only these 2 parts right now in which we fill the blanks 120 and 25, and then it convert into 145 minutes. And this is another duration. But Jani, the main loss is that you have might be missed your explanation part. So please prepare yourself even before the class. Okay, now it's time to solve the last part of the day. Yes, on the same page, this is a question number 4. But my students, this question is something that is, you can say, that opposite of those questions which we have done previously. How? Look at my chart over here where my color pointer is showing you. The question we have solved recently, in which the teacher is giving you the hours and you are converting into minutes. Now we are going in a reverse way. Now the teacher will give you a minutes and you will convert into hours. It's like they are totally opposite to each other. When the teacher give you hour, you will convert in minutes. And now the teacher is giving you a questions in the minute form, and you are going to convert into an hour. So Hussein, now you understand this part very well, and this is a chart that you need to learn, but you have missed that how to learn this chart very easily. You will use 6 times table. 2 6 are 12 and put 088 in it. So 2 hour has 120 minutes. So if you multiply 3 with 6, your answer is 18, and put 0 with 8, so it has 180 minutes. So basically we are using 6 times table to learn the minutes. Okay. So now let's read the question. The football match lasted for 105 minutes. See, they give you questions only in the minutes, the same style that I show you over here. So first they show you step-by-step clock. How many, you can say that 1 hour has how many minutes? So you all know that 60 minutes. So you will reverse, give a clock 60 minutes. So time is 7 o'clock, and then you change it to 8 o'clock. Now the teacher is giving you this task to calculate this blue lines, blue time that is passed. So calculate it with me. Take the jumps of 5, not 6. Okay, because whenever you look at the clock, you will use 5 times tables jump. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. When we count our jump, the answer is 45 minutes more passed. And you can do simply 5 9s are 45. Use your mind sharply. Okay. So what you will do, you will take a step by step. So your answer is 45 minutes. So after knowing this answer, now the work is solved. The work is literally solved. But these questions really need a good practice. You are going to find out 60 minutes, and then your second piece is 45 minutes. So now boys, look at the blanks which are given. What was the duration in hour and minutes? So the total time was 105 minutes. First you take out 60 minutes in it. So what will be the remaining minutes left? So you already counted over here that the remaining time is 45. So you will write down the same answer over here, that is 45. So mention 45 over here. This question is easy because your teacher has already give you blue work and clues, so that's why it's easy. Now it's time. 60 minute has how many hours? Look at this. Look at the chart which is given over here. How many hours have we have in 60 minutes? See, they look at the chart. Only 1 hour. So you will mention 1 over here. You will mention 1 over here, and the 45 will come as it is. The 45 will come as it is. See, this is the very best way to solve the question. Let me explain this question again, Huzefa, and then I will take the question from you. Okay, just wait. Let me explain the same question again. See, boys, first of all, I told you that this question is opposite of it. Teacher will give you a minute and you will find out the hours. So first of all, the time was, if 7 o'clock, if you take out 1 hour from it, so time clock will be 8 o'clock. 8 will be, and then you will count the remaining minutes. Then you count the remaining minutes, that is 5, 10, and then your minutes are 45. So boys, simply you will now mention 60 plus 45, and 60 minute has how many hours? It has only 1 hour. And then 45 minutes will come as it is, because 45 minutes doesn't make hour. So the 45 number will come as it is. And they even tell you that you can use a timeline to you can even draw a timeline, which I previously explained you, that you can use a timeline and solve these questions. But I think this question is already explained well. So I think that's enough. That's all for today, but I'm going to stop my recording now, and I will start taking the questions for more.